In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to video in InVideo. If you're creating tutorials, promos, or social content, clear text overlays can make your message easy to spot and remember. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along confidently. First, log into InVideo. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Make sure you're using a stable browser and a reliable connection so your changes save smoothly. If you've already started a video, you're ready for the next part. Open your project. This brings up your timeline, preview window, and the main editing workspace. Take a quick moment to think about where you want the text to appear in your video. Knowing whether it's a title at the beginning, a caption in the middle, or a call out near the end will help you choose the right style. On the side panel, click on the Text tab. This is where all your text tools live. You'll see options grouped for quick access and a library of styles you can browse. If it's not expanded, a single click will open it. Now select the main format you want: header, subheader, or body. A header is best for big titles or bold statements that need attention. A subheader works well for secondary lines that support your main title. Body text is ideal for longer sentences, captions, or disclaimers. Pick the format that matches the importance of your message. You can also explore styles and typography from the library. Choose a font that fits your brand and is easy to read against your footage. High contrast is key: light text on dark backgrounds or dark text on bright scenes. If your video is busy, consider a simple style with a subtle background shape for legibility. Keep consistency in mind. Using the same family of fonts across your project helps everything feel cohesive. Drag and drop your chosen text onto the canvas. Place it where it won't cover important visuals or faces. Most editors provide guides to help you align elements neatly and keep them within safe viewing areas, which is especially useful for mobile platforms. Edit the text. Replace the placeholder with your words, then adjust font size, weight, and color to match your scene. Tweak letter spacing and line spacing for clarity, and resize the text box using the handles if needed. You can reposition the text by dragging it and nudge it into place for precise alignment. And that's it. Done. You've added clean, readable text to your video in InVideo. Apply the same approach to other moments in your project to keep everything consistent and professional.